Hey, good morning, guys. It's Bunmi on my way to the gym. Got on my gym clothes, but I wanted to make this video um, to make a confession to you. Not really a confession, but this is real talk, and I want to be very transparent as it relates to me and my finances and some mistakes I made and some corrections I'm making. And I'm not embarrassed to talk about it because a lot of people go through the same thing. So, network marketers, they tend to make a lot of money, but at the end of the day, a lot of them don't have a lot of money. But not just network marketers. Think about this. Even if a person only made $25,000 a year, after working 40 years, $1 million would have flowed through their fingers. But how much of that would they still have to show for it? Probably hardly none. And so that's what happens too. Also, to business people, we make a lot of money, but yet something happens, whether it's living up to your means, living beyond your means, just money coming in, you're not realizing how much you're spending, and you look and it's like, man, where did that money go? Can you relate to that? So what I decided is that I don't want that to be my story. And I'm sure you don't want that to be your story as well. Now, a lot of you all who know my story know that for many years I struggled and struggled. 5 kids close together. Me and my husband at that time, it was just hard to make ends meet. And in 2005 was the first time I got into a six-figure income residually, 5 figures a month. So that was awesome. And I started learning some principles and things that really helped to move me forward. That was great, but still, so even with the success I've had over the 10, 12 years since then, business is up and down and all of that. But even with the success that I've had, I can do better. When I look at myself and my situation, I know I can be doing better. Now, I'm not talking about just in the income amount that I make. I'm talking about in how I am a steward over what I have now, what's coming in. And I know there's some more things that I need to learn about money and vehicles and growing my money as I continue to make more and more money and get into a seven-figure income. So let me tell you what I decided to do, because a lot of you all know about me and my wellness business. If you follow me on Facebook, I promote that. And I recently made a decision that I needed to make sure that the money that comes in from any of my business enterprises, that when I look at my own financial landscape, that things are in order. You see this wonderful, beautiful house that I'm living in? Well, I wanted to find out a way. And yes, I do have some debts. I have some credit card debts. I've been working on paying, those off, more than the minimum balances. But I wanted to find a way where I could get out of debt in like 1/3 to half of the time, including my mortgage, without spending any more money. And the feeling of being debt free, oh my gosh, I've experienced that before. It feels so good. So I wanted to do that. My credit has some dings on it. And my goal is literally to have an 800 credit score. Now, you may have a goal of 850. Or maybe right now you're just trying to get to 700. But my goal is to align my credit so that I'm at an 800. Then, being a business person, I know that, yes, I'm in a good place as far as having over 180 different tax deductions that the government gives a home-based business owner. But I know I'm not taking advantage of all of those deductions. And I know I need some help with my taxes. We got to get a hold on taxes. 1/3 of everything that we spend, that we make, is going to go to taxes. And we need to find out how to minimize those taxes, whether you are a W-2 employee or whether you are a business owner. And then here's the thing. The Bible says a good man leaves an inheritance to his children's children. Let's talk about wealth. We know we cannot save in the bank. If you know the rule of 72, at 1% annually, which a lot of banks aren't even giving, it takes 72 years for your money to double. Who has 72 years? Come on, guys. So we've got to connect with people who know more than us, who can show us vehicles that the rich have used to get themselves ahead, to create general wealth for their families, to handle their finances in a very astute way that we have not been privy to. And so if I want to do all of this, right, then I've got to seek out experts who can show me how. Well, I feel so blessed that I came across a friend of mine who actually told me about an affordable membership. It's only $79 a month that helps me do everything that I just said and more. Literally, to succeed like an expert in my finances without me having to be an expert. And I'm telling you, when I checked it all out, I knew it was the best $79 I could spend for my goals. Being a business person, I want to do right by my money. And I said, this is what I need in my life at this point. I want to have my credit restored and maximized. I gotta get a plan for getting out of debt. I want to get a handle on taxes and minimize my taxation. And Lord knows I got grandchildren and children. I want to build wealth for my family that outlasts me, that I can enjoy now, but also that is still here when I am not. I mean, aren't those honorable things? Aren't those things that you want to do? But who wants to try to talk to all these individual people, guesswork or whatever? So this membership is so awesome because it's from one place. I get access to all of that with an affordable $79 that is tax deductible. And so the company is called MWR Financial. And I even love the name. It stands for Make Wealth Real. Y'all know I'm all about making wealth real in my life. That's what it is. MWR Financial. So they have this awesome membership. But you all know that I'm into multiple streams of income. And so I looked at the compensation plan. Absolutely amazing. So what I decided to do is not just use the membership for myself, but I said, man, if this is going to get me in the best financial shape possible, why not share this with other people? Because I know other people want to do the same thing that I am doing. And so I am excited to be able to share this with people. So no matter what company you're in, what line of work, whether you're a W-2 employee or a business owner, you want to make wealth real. You want to have financial experts in your corner without you having to be one, and just get everything in order that I just talked about. So this is what I'm doing. You all know my birthday is coming up. If you're watching this video, and it's September of 2018 right now. So this weekend I'm having a business birthday bash at my house. We're going to be celebrating my birthday, but also I figured this is a beautiful time to launch off and share with the people here celebrating my birthday what I am doing with MWR Financial, how that's helping me and how they can use it to help themselves as well. Because I'm always connecting with people who want to do better in life, do better in their business and their money, have multiple streams of income. So I know they're going to appreciate this information. It's so exciting when you know that your finances are in order. You got the best credit score possible. You got your get out of debt plan, that you're not giving Uncle Sam no more than what he's supposed to get, and you're minimizing those taxes, and now you're building wealth, planting some shade trees that you might not even sit under. We're going to sit under some of them now, but then be able to, as the Bible said, leave an inheritance to our children's children. Does any of that resonate with you? I know when I heard it, it resonated with me, and I didn't have to think long. I'm like, this is it. Like, this is what I need as a wellness business owner, doing several different things. I'm like, you know what? I need this membership, and why not just share this with others? So just wanted to make this video to tell you guys what was going on. If you happen to be seeing this in September 2018 and it's before the 22nd, you're in the Maryland area and you'd love to come to the birthday bash, then hit me up, 443-864-9440. And also, just if you're seeing this at any time, you said, Bunmi, you know what? I'm feeling you. I understand. I got to get things in order myself. Tell me more about this financial membership. Tell me more about Make Wealth Real. I want wealth to be real in my life. What is this about? Tell me about how I can expand my income through it, or whatever aspects of it you're interested in. Give me a call, 443-864-9440. I am so interested in your success, your well-being. What I want for myself, I want for everybody else. So I'm excited. So give me a call, 443-864-9440. And I'm off to the gym. See you guys. Bye-bye.